the fact that the fans applauded that she stood up well. Rina,
Yeah.
are you ready with the report? Rina, go ahead, please. Let's open Rina's mic if we can.
Hello?
Yes, Rina, go.
There you go. Just a quick update on Jang Bolly. She just fall on the sides. Kaya medyo sumakit ang ulo niya. Pero right now, she's okay. And then the therapist hasn't seen her. But so far, she can play right now. So back to you guys.
Okay, thanks a lot, Rina. Mukhang nahilo lang talaga. That's a nice quick. Rosses can really manage that middle so well.
That's right. And just quick thinking on the side of Rosses. Kita niya, late na yung blocker. So,
You know,
for a quick hit.
this Trish Chrysostom looks like she's been playing with them for the longest time. Nice slam that time by Dakis. Ang ganda niya magbigay. Ang ganda niya magbigay.
Because of that, San Sebastian scores another one. Jang Bolly serve. Rachel Dakis just with the push gets that one. And ano naman, iyawan ng crowd because Kainglet on the line to serve.
Labiano.
And Sue Rosses.
Trish Crisostomo, I think, may have been converted into the setter already. She's been around, actually.
And down the line, Jang Bolly there.
Kainglet stretching. Nicely done. Alinis.
Eliza Valdez finding that open spot.
Ateneo ahead by 6, 10-4. Clint Malaso calls a timeout.
Hindi ba natin maingay para mabigyan ni Sumit na?
Okay, 10-4. I understand from Rina she has an update. I think she chatted with Jang Bolly. Rina, yes.
Yes, that's right. According to Jang Bolly, medyo masakit pa ang kanyang ulo. Pinipilit lang daw niya makapaglaro para makatulong dito sa San Sebastian team. At sa ngayon ay gusto niya munang maglaro. Pero kung kailangan magpahinga, magpapahinga din siya a little later on. And on the other side of the court naman, according to Coach Roger, ang kailangan lang naman nila dito is mental toughness. Kailangan matuto sila kung paano maglaro ng mas smarter against dito sa Lady Stags. Back to you guys.
And that's rightfully so. A little more mental toughness on the part of the Lady Eagles is definitely most welcome. I think they lost that first set because of exactly that. Rosses is hijacked neatly so. They go the other way. Bolly wallops it. Kainglet. Ferrer. Dakis. Lampas.
Medyo maganda pa yung pagkakalate ng blockers doon kasi si Dakis really wanted to swipe it. Why? Because it was close to the net.
Yeah.
Hindi niya masyadong gusto yan pagdating sa set. Diba? Ayaw niya yung malapit sa net because of her approach.
Yes.
So San Sebastian now with 3 attack points. Ateneo with 4.
Dakis needs the runway to make things happen. Shakey's for fun. Family pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. Nice block by Rachel. Rachel's wincing a bit. Oh, Lazaro out of position. I like it when the libero is cool. Like May Crisostomo,
Ay.
Lazaro.
Isa na yan sa coolest.
Sa Perpetual,
Nakita ko.
there was also that good libero. Boy, I love watching the cool
Si Danila.
Yeah. Pagka bundle of nerves yung libero, may duda ako sa team na yun.
Saka hindi, ang cute tignan pag ano pa yun.
Ang lakas ng palo,
Parang-
biglang itataas lang eh. Lazaro gets to it. That's a nice wallow by Eliza Valdez. Labiano. No shot. Too strong.
No wrist action
Wala, no?
on that last play.
Because of the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Nice skid by May Crisostomo. Labiano.
Totally turned back. Mahirap na naman tong lagpasan.
Oo.
Dakis and Patnoon.
Si Julina Labiano, medyo off-timing siya. I think she has to calm down just a little here. She's trying to overpower the defense, actually. Roses, calm and collected. Tongon, got it.
And ang ganda ng pwesto ng bola dahil alanganin nga para doon kay Cheng Boli at kay Crisostomo. As you look at it here, look where she put that ball. May pagka-miss hit pa nga eh. Kaya ayun, naalangan ng konti si Cheng. Dove early. Labiano 4 attack points. Dakis with only 1.
Too close to the net.
Yes, too close to the net. Very difficult.
San Sebastian coming unglued here. Not together, not in the way, the same way gaya ng first set, ano?
Oh, that nice one. Pero iba lang talaga to si Crisostomo. Ganda na ng service eh.
Happy childhood talaga. Sabi sa akin ng mga umisa sa Facebook, why does Seb call it happy childhood? We will explain after this technical timeout.